Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of CUET-GK. Let's begin today's session. First question, the Tiananmen Square incident, also known as the June 4th incident, took place in which year? Option A, 1985, option B, 1989, option C, 1991, option D, 1995. The correct answer is option B, 1989. The Tiananmen Square protests of 1989 were student-led demonstrations in Beijing, calling for political reform, which ended in a violent military crackdown. Next, the Sykes-Picot Agreement was a secret agreement between which two countries? Option A, United Kingdom and France. Option B, United Kingdom and Germany. Option C, France and Russia. Option D, Germany and Austria-Hungary. The correct answer is option A, United Kingdom and France. The Sykes-Picot Agreement, signed in 1916, divided the Ottoman Empire's territories into spheres of influence between the UK and France. Next, the term Gandhian Philosophy refers to the teachings and thoughts of which historical figure? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy focused on non-violence, truth, and the pursuit of justice through non-violent resistance. Next, the Chernobyl disaster occurred in which country? Option A, Ukraine. Option B, Belarus. Option C, Russia. Option D, Kazakhstan. The correct answer is option A, Ukraine. The Chernobyl disaster of 1986, one of the worst nuclear accidents in history, occurred in Ukraine, then part of the Soviet Union. Next, the Treaty of Versailles was signed after which major event? Option A, World War I. Option B, World War II. Option C, the Russian Revolution. Option D, the Korean War. The correct answer is option A, World War I. The Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, formally ended World War I and imposed heavy reparations on Germany. Next, the Berlin Wall separated which two ideologies? Option A, fascism and communism. Option B, capitalism and socialism. Option C, communism and democracy. Option D, totalitarianism and anarchy. The correct answer is option B, capitalism and socialism. The Berlin Wall, 1961 to 1989, physically and ideologically separated East, socialist, and West, capitalist, Berlin during the Cold War. Next, the Falklands War occurred between which two countries? Option A, United Kingdom and Argentina. Option B, United States and Russia. Option C, France and United Kingdom. Option D, China and Taiwan. The correct answer is option A, United Kingdom and Argentina. The Falklands War in 1982 was fought between the United Kingdom and Argentina over the disputed Falkland Islands. Next, the Rosetta Stone is an ancient artifact that helped decipher which language? Option A, Sanskrit. Option B, Egyptian hieroglyphs. Option C, Mesopotamian cuneiform. Option D, Linear B. The correct answer is option B, Egyptian hieroglyphs. The Rosetta Stone is linked to Egyptian hieroglyph with initial decipherment efforts, focusing on the well-preserved demotic inscription. Next, the Paleolithic period is also known as the option A, New Stone Age. Option B, Middle Stone Age. Option C, Old Stone Age. Option D, Bronze Age. The correct answer is option C, Old Stone Age. The Paleolithic period, also known as the Old Stone Age, is marked by the development of early human tools and the use of stone implements. The last question is, the Divine Comedy was written by which Italian poet? Option A, Giovanni Boccaccio. Option B, Petrarch. Option C, Dante Alighieri. Option D, Ludovico Ariosto. The correct answer is option C, Dante Alighieri. Dante's Divine Comedy is an epic poem that describes the journey through hell, purgatory, and heaven. Now it's time for the practice question. The US Constitution was ratified in which year? Option A, 1783. Option B, 1788. Option C, 1790. Option D, 1795. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.